2025 updated. Set up parental controls on kids' iPhone or iPad with AirDroid. If you want to monitor your child's iOS device without hassle, this is the easiest way to get started, step by step even if you're not tech savvy. First, install AirDroid or Parental Control on your phone from Google Play or the App Store. Open the app, log in or sign up, then choose Mine to confirm you're the parent. You will now see a screen with a QR code and pairing code. On your kid's iPhone or iPad, scan the code or enter the URL to download AirDroid Kids. Once installed, launch AirDroid Kids and enter the pairing code shown on your device. Set up your child's basic info and grant all the requested permissions so the app works properly. To unlock features like screen mirroring and app blocking, you will need to enable supervision mode using a computer or Android phone. Option A. Using a computer, go to the URL shown on screen and download AirDroid Parental Connector. Plug in your kid's iPhone or iPad via USB. Tap Trust on the device, then click Enable Supervision Mode. Enter the pairing code, follow instructions, and wait for the restart. Now you can view your child's screen, manage app time, track their location, and more, all from your phone. Pro tip: add a screen time schedule under usage limits to keep routines healthy and reduce daily battles. Download AirDroid Parental Control today and take charge of your child's digital safety. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.